Hello, and welcome to my channel. For all the Ford owners out there, this is probably a question that you may have thought about. I certainly have, and that is when my gas gauge gets to 0, how much farther can I actually drive? Now, I just drove to Burlington, Vermont. I reckon there is a 2-gallon reserve tank in this beast I call 2014 Ford Explorer 3.5 liter V6. I've been averaging 21.4 miles to the gallon, which isn't that great, but I have about 123 miles to E, and I'm gonna see once it hits 0. I'm gonna reset one of the trips and see how far I can drive. But first, I have a gas can in the back, so when I do run out, I can get gas and go to a gas station and refill. That is gonna be my experiment for today, so stay tuned. Alright, 100 miles to empty, at 21.8 miles to the gallon. I stopped at a service station, get some water. Been on the go for a long time now. What do you think of that? Oh, it's heavy. That is 3.79 liters of maple syrup. Maple syrup must be pretty good around here. Stretch my legs. I gotta say, I didn't think I was a big fan of the self-checkout, all automated things, but actually it's pretty clever. Anyway, let's get back on the road. Do this a whole lot, but it's just kind of fun. I've got the low fuel level warning at 37 miles. 25 miles to empty. Other questions come up to mind. Really stupid questions like, can you turn the engine off while you are driving? Yes, you can. Bro, I'm in the red. in the red at 11 miles to empty. All right, here we go. All right, we just hit 0 miles to empty 1 mile ago. So if I have a 2-gallon reserve tank and I average 21 miles to the gallon, let's see, that's 42 miles. So I have about 42 miles if I average 21. If I average 25, well, that's 50 miles. Let's see. Okay, I'm at the 10-mile mark at 27.3 miles to the gallon. How am I doing that? That's pretty good. 28 miles to the gallon. Why can't I get that kind of mileage all the time? Well, I just ran out of fuel. Well then, I only made it 22.4 miles. So I guess the reserve tank isn't as big as I thought. Well, now I know. All right. There's the question, the answer to your question that nobody ever asks. 23 point whatever I said miles. It's funny, I thought it would have been more. Well, there you have it.